Hey guys, today I want to share you about a topic I think a lot of people want to know. Using Epsom salt in gardening is not a new concept, but you are probably surprised the amazing benefits of using Epsom salt in the garden. Firstly, let's try to answer the question: what is Epsom salt? And is Epsom salt good for plants in the garden? Epsom salt is also known as magnesium sulfate. It's a chemical compound made up of magnesium, sulfur, and oxygen. Despite its name, Epsom salt is a completely different compound than table salt. It would most likely turn salt because of its chemical structure. There seem to be good, relevant reasons for using Epsom salt in the garden. Epsom salt helps improve flower blooming and enhances a plant's green color. It can even help plants grow bushier. Epsom salt is made up of hydrated magnesium sulfate, magnesium and sulfur, which is important to healthy plant growth. Moreover, magnesium allows plants to better take in valuable nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Then how to water plants with Epsom salt? Before applying Epsom salt, however, it's a good idea to have your soil tested to determine whether it's deficient of magnesium. You should also be aware that many plants like beans and leafy vegetables will happily grow and produce in soils with low levels of magnesium. When diluted with water, Epsom salt is easily taken up by plants, especially when applied as a foliar spray. There are a lot of ways to use Epsom salt for plants in the garden. For example, 1. Give seeds a better start. 2. Increase nutrient absorption. 3. Prevent root shock. 4. Deter pests naturally. 5. Add vibrancy. 6. Boost flavor. 7. Grow a lush lawn. 8. Heal your house plant. 9. Remove tree stumps. Okay, that's all. I hope you will use exactly Epsom salt in the garden. If you see this is a good video, please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for your listening. See you later.